Boom! Wait, hello. Akala namin hindi ka naka-robe. Siyempre naka-robe ka. Oo, ayan.
Okay na kanina.
But what a fearless photo shoot.
Yes, of course. I mean, if you guys see the previous campaigns for PETA, it's really something that's I guess, what is the word? Palaban. It's always like that. I mean, we have to take a stand, so it has to be something that's fearless.
Can we talk about the concept? Kasi Mother Earth painted.
Yes.
Kay President Nadine. Diba? Were you collaborative on this aspect, or was it presented to you? How was it? How was it developed?
We actually did 3 shoots today. So the first one that we did, we'll reveal it in around Q3 or tama ba? Q3 or Q4. So this one is particularly from PETA, Team PETA, and they suggested nga to do a body paint because we wanted to do something that na medyo general yung messaging for this one specifically.
The message being?
Go vegan, Pilipinas.
We have been talking about this parang 5 years more or less. How many years have you been vegan?
I've been vegan na since August 2022. So mag 3 years na.
Mag 3 years, ayan. Pero yun talaga, commitment, lifestyle change. Yes. Even in the businesses that you do, they're all connected 100%. To being, meat-free.
Yes. I think it has to be that way. Kasi those are my values, and it's hard to kind of stray from that. Parang hindi ko din talaga kaya if this is what I'm fighting for, these are my values, and then when it comes to my businesses, parang it doesn't match. I guess even with the endorsements that I've been doing, a lot of the brands that I'm doing now, I'm happy because a lot of them parang kind of transition me into another brand that's in their company then na mas vegan, parang vegan naman or more plant-based. So I'm really happy that everyone is very welcoming of of my values, and they're very understanding as well.
Itong unang pasabog mo ba ngayong 2025?
25.
Oo.
I think ito yun.
Diba?
I mean, it's still early. It's still early. So parang with everything that I've done for the whole year na, it's only March. Parang ito yung pinaka okay. Ginawa ko
we do know kasi syempre nag-launch ko ng businesses, but of course in terms of your advocacy, at medyo may nasilip kami, parang babalik ka ng free TV. What made you say yes?
Okay. Well, I don't know if
pwede nang i-announce.
We're okay to talk about it now, but I mean, I'm pretty sure people have seen some photos already. So I think for that one, I'm not gonna give out so much info na kasi baka mapagalitan naman. But I guess for that one, it's not it's not a long running project. Parang lang siya. Parang we're going to shoot for a month lang kasi 1 season lang siya of Masked Singer. So very excited about that kasi yung ginagawa namin on set, sobrang saya lang niya, and I didn't imagine na parang magiging ganun siya kasaya. I mean, if you all know what Masked Singer is kasi parang mga naka-costume and then it's a singing competition. It's a celebrity singing competition. So it's really fun. Even just seeing the costumes and hearing yung mga performers, yung mga singers na kumakanta, nakaka-amaze naman talaga. So just the whole time we were shooting, masaya lang talaga, and masaya din yung mga kasama ko. So,
in your mentor era na pala ikaw.
Di naman siya mentoring, it's honestly judging siya, pero it's not, I wouldn't say it's a serious talent competition din kasi yung mga sumasali, mga
talented
singers
na.
they're already in the industry.
Yeah.
So I think it's more of parang challenge lang for us, for the judges, I would say. It's more of a challenge na kung mahuhulaan ba namin kung sino yung singer or hindi.
Magaling ka ba manghula?
Hindi din.
Hindi pala. Kaya ka natatawa. Kasi hindi ka pala magaling manghula.
Na-enjoy ko lang.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero going back dun sa values na pinopromote natin, marami kang pinopromote na values. Mahirap ba siyang ipaliwanag sa maraming tao?
To be honest, merong times na hindi naman mahirap. Parang I understand naman na, we've been conditioned a certain way. Like even I was like that, you know. So parang it takes a lot of adjustments lang and a bit more understanding. But I guess if, I'm very vocal about my advocacies naman, and I'm very I guess I post a lot about it and everything. And eventually, people have accepted. In the beginning, parang people were more, bakit? Like, why did she do that? Parang ganon. There were people that couldn't understand why. But, you know, it's normal. Because I guess the concept is new then para sa iba. So, ngayon, I would say that a lot of people are more understanding and a lot of them are actually parang I'm happy because I would see comments na I've switched to a more plant-based diet, I've done this, I've done that, and it's really nice to see people trying it out. You know, so okay naman siya.
Anong message mo sa mga anong message mo sa mga hindi pumasa sa vibe check?
No, I mean, I guess for you know, if people kasi want to try out a more plant-based lifestyle, it's really not overnight. Just because every time people ask me, parang they think na I do it overnight. It's really it's really a process. Parang mine was, I think I went pescatarian first and then eventually vegetarian and then went full vegan na. And it's really not overnight and you really have to give yourself the time and patience to adjust. But when you do kasi, it's just the most amazing thing. Your connection with animals is different. Parang the way you see the world is very different as well. With my health then, I noticed that I'm stronger now than I was before, especially when I work out. Parang I could last longer with sets. I don't get tired when I do cardio. Hindi ako napapagod din. Which is really, really surprising to me because a lot of people would, and this is something that us vegans we would always get, na parang people would say na we're weak, you know, we don't get all of the
mawala ka ng muscles,
all of that stuff. That's really not true. And I would 100% say that ever since I went vegan, I'm just much healthier and much stronger.
Pero may mga beliefs tayo na hindi naintindihan ng maraming tao. Paano ka nag-react doon?
I guess it's sa akin kasi it's understandable because what I said earlier, it's kind of been conditioned na eh. Kahit naman ako, I had different beliefs growing up. So, ano siya, parang nandun na siya, conditioned na tayo to think a certain way. But then I also do believe that as humans, we evolve, you know, and with all of the, I guess with all of the beliefs that we have and, you know, when it comes to like culture, there are other, I guess, alternatives or new ways for us to enjoy these cultural, I guess, you know, with food, also, I guess with entertainment and all of that stuff. There are ways for us to do things now, especially now. It's sobrang, diba, everything has evolved and changed na, and there's so many more options. There are ways for us to enjoy these things without harming others.
Kahit na napakatapang din ng mga comments sa'yo, naapektuhan ka pa ba? Or hindi, or lalo kang, lalo kang, yun nga, or lalo kang, nga, nirepost mo pa eh, lalo kang, naging feisty to, you know, to bring out what you stand for.
I think because if we're fighting for something, we have to fight for it all the way. You know, we can't really do a half. I was gonna say a word that would probably be censored.
Bleep.
But you really can't, you really can't fight for something na parang halfway ka lang. You really have to give it all, your all, especially if it's something that, you know, that you truly believe in. So, ganun naman ako ever since. And I don't think I get affected with anything. I'm so used to it. I guess just being in the industry for this long, I'm used to being criticized and used to people like throwing words at me that are not, you know, agreeable. So, and for me kasi, as long as, you know, the important people around me know me, understand me, and love me, that's the most important thing for me.
Pero ang well nila, hindi ka ba natatakot personally?
Not really. No naman. Yeah.
Matakot daw sila kay Nadine. Yes!
Yes!
I love it. Thank you.